Okay, this is Ace. It's found after he was found, reported to RSPCA along Chongqing 6 in UK Heights. He's happy to find me. Yes, somehow he's an escape artist. Rounds out the indoor garden, gets out of the housing fence. It's a dog that really gets in lots of trouble. Okay, you wanna go inside the car? Alright, let me get you your cloth. Oh, this is your doggy food. Okay, now where do I find a cloth for you? Okay, here it is. Let me clear that for you. Make your seat here. Sit down here. Okay. Hey, sit down. Take him home. Okay, sit down. Then to sit down. Come on. Okay, sit down. Let's see if you know the old trick. Sit down. Yes. He grew up in a car and he's happy to be back. Teach you not to run away sometime, okay? Stay home and be good. Alright, he's down on his fours. Ace, the stray from Penang that runs around in KL. Hi there, AC. You're happy to be back, eh? You ran out of the house and I found you here right in front of this house here. Sitting down, lost. And you look with your smug look there. What can we do with a dog like Ace? Okay, welcome back. Rest now. We found you. Oh no, he's starting to chew something. Oh, Ace, you're a real puppy. Put it up, put your nose up. Now you can get it off, see? He can't get his cup off. Looks so funny, he can't get his cup off. Good old Ace.